Climate change is truly the greatest threat in Bangladesh, and how do you propose effective combat in a country where political instability often leads to corruption, weak institutions, and lack of strong leadership? Assalamu alaikum and a warm good morning to everyone present today. I am Rowja Manha and I will begin my team's argument against the motion. Climate change is the greatest threat in Bangladesh. While me and my team acknowledge the dangers of climate change, I stand firmly against the motion that it is the greatest threat to Bangladesh. What use of a climate plan if our team leaders cannot carry it out properly? Let us take political instability and poor governance for example, which are at the root of many of our national problems. Bangladesh has experienced political turmoil for decades. Shifting governments, corruption, and lack of strong leadership have slowed down or completely stopped crucial development work. If climate adaptation plans are not carried out well, who is to blame? Not the climate, but our own broken system. According to Transparency International, Bangladesh remains one of the most corrupt countries in South Asia. Development funds get misused. Infrastructure projects are delayed or poorly executed. Emergency relief after floods and cyclones often don't reach those who need it most. Worst, political instability often leads to strikes and instability, affecting education, economy, and daily life. During election periods, schools are closed, roads are blocked, businesses suffer. But perhaps one of the most dangerous ones yet is those who question the system. Journalists, students, and society are often silenced. Without political stability, no solution, not even climate action can succeed. This instability weakens our institutions and weakens the nation. In truth, political instability is the disease that weakens our immunity as a nation. So that's why me and my team believe that political instability is a more urgent and dangerous threat Bangladesh must address before climate change. In Surah An-Nisa, ayat number 58, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned, Inna Allah ya'murukum an tu'addul amanati ila ahliha wa idha hakamtum bayna nasi an tahkumu bil adl. Indeed, Allah commands you to render trust to whom they are due and to judge between people, to judge with justice. Good governance and justice are core Islamic values. Political instability undermines this divine instruction and weakens the nation. Now, I would like to throw a few questions to my opponent team. If governance remains corrupt and dysfunctional, how can Bangladesh implement any kind of climate policy effectively? If climate change is truly the greatest threat in Bangladesh, then how do you propose effective combat in a country where political instability often leads to corruption, weak institutions, and lack of strong leadership? And the type of leadership that rises every 5 years, often prioritizing power over its nation and people. With that, I would like to terminate my speech. Assalamu alaikum. Hope everyone had a good time listening to it.
Thank you, Rowja. Thank you for strong arguments and clear expression. That was truly impactful.